Hi friends, good evening and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Once again, I just got the new update regarding the Alberta Advantage immigration program. So it's great news that we hear like 26th of August, September. So let's see guys, this is something which is a good opportunity for those who are seeking like for the applying for the PR application. So in this video today I would like to inform you about the new program which is expression of interest. So in this program basically you just need to fill the some of the documentation by 30th of September of this month. So there are not a much requirement needed by the AAIP program, EUIA program. So in this special video I just want to give you like a small clarification regarding the program. So I would say this is there are like a little pro and cons for everyone, but no need to feel embrace for this EUI system, because it is a quite nice system in by which everybody can apply for the PR application. Whomsoever looking for like a so long time, people are spending more than 1.5 year already in Alberta, and still they didn't got they are not able to submit the application through the previous program, by which very less applications they were accepting. Now in the new system, what they will do, they just write it down like very clearly. It's a neat and clean message for everyone whomsoever going to apply through this system. So no need to rush, especially for this program. Actually they already mentioned about that, no need to rush for this EUI system. So you have ample of time by which you can submit your application. Just I would like to say first sorry for everyone, because might be there will be like a little problem with the voice. Maybe you will get, because you can see the weather is more of windy. So I'm just standing here by the river. I thought like this is a nice place to give the information, and yeah, this is what I decide. So again I was coming near the a river, and that is why I thought let me make the video on this one, because I realized that I was going to upload that video, but didn't got the time. So now guys, the first thing you need to do by 30th of September, some of you can apply through that one. Some of you, if you want to collect the document first from your employer, so collect those documents and then apply for this one. I would say do not hurry before arrange all the documents. The documents, if you are from the hospitality industry, then you need to collect the Canada restaurant restaurant membership first. Do that thing, so that by which you will get 6 points. Apart from that, if you are from another sector, so you need to get your job offer, your permanent full-time work experience from your employer. So I would say just correct those documents from your employer, from wherever you can do that, from which sector you are working. So just apply for those. And people who study already in the Alberta or any other province over here, so they can also they have advantage of that one, so they will get more points. So by which you will be able it's max to max 69 point. There is nothing to worry, you need to collect out of 100 70 point or 80 points or 85 points. Don't worry about that. So I would say first of all, collect those documents. 69 points are the maximum points. If you are getting 69, that is the best thing. If you are getting less than 60 or less than 69, so don't feel bad about that. because it is not like everybody is working or studying in Canada and then they started working over here. So there are many person, they came through LMIA from outside, and they already spent 6 months or 1 year over here. So it's a good thing. People whomsoever already spent like more than 12 months over here, they are going to get 11 points. People whomsoever spend more than 6 months, they are also getting some of the point. Less than 3 months, there are no points. If you are already make more than if you already cross more than 6 months, 3 months, then again you will get some of the points. Apart from that, for the education purpose, I know many of you, they came from any other countries, any other province, so no need to worry about that. You will also get some of the points. If you study out of Alberta and then you shift in Alberta, again you will get for the from that particular study, you will get some of the 6 point, I think so. 6 point, again you will get it in that. So actually I keep all the points in my mind, so I didn't carry any kind of notes with me, so that I can tell you exact exact number of the points. But yeah, some of the point, as I know, I don't have much of point also of mine, so I was calculating that one, so I just got 53 points in that. So again, even I'm not worrying about that, I will not get you are eligible, Baba, so don't worry about that, you guys will get it. So if somebody is not eligible, they I pray for that, pray for them also, they very soon they will get it. So I would say, if you are neglecting anywhere, so try to collect those points. If you are lacking somewhere in the IELTS, just try to get that one. After getting the experience in Alberta, again you will get nice points, don't worry about that. So if you have permanent job offer, again you are working in the hospitality industry, again you will get 6 points over there. Then if you have no need to worry about the IELTS also, it is about CLB. So if you have 4.5 in reading and rest of the other thing, you will get 5, again your CLB will be 5. So again you are getting 8 points out of 10 points. There are 13 points basically, but 13 points they are calculating for the person whomsoever have 2 different languages. So if someone have a good knowledge about the French, they already have some of the CLB 3 or something like that, so they will get 3 points of that. And if you have only IELTS or CELPIP a CLB 5 or CLB 4, below 3, I think below 3 there is a 0 point. If you have 4, then you have 5 points. If you have a CLB 5, then you will get 8 points. If you have CLB 6, then you will get 10 points, not extra points apart from that. If you have I would say if you have a 6 each or 7 each or 8 each, it doesn't matter for much in Alberta. In other province it's a matter a lot for if someone have good bands in the IELTS test, so they are getting good points. But in Alberta you will not get like that. It's a max to max 10 points. So CLB 5 and 6, it's very easy to get it right. So don't worry about that. Apart from that, if you have experience, you will get nice points. If you have your relationships in Canada, like a nephew, niece, aunt, grandchild, or someone like that, so again you will get but it should be they should be lived in Alberta, not in any other province. Either you will not get those points. So for that, it's I think 10 points you will get additional point in that. But it doesn't matter, as I calculate mine also, I don't have that much points. 53 is less points. But yeah, if someone have a bachelor degree or master degree or a doctorate degree, they are getting nice points. But I have only a diploma, so I'm just getting 4 points of that. So again, guys, no need to worry about that. I'm not going to make a like a very large video. Next video very soon I'm going to get it with the overall like a points calculation. I would like to tell you everyone that I will inform you like about all the points, how you will calculate, because I'm just getting many messages from my friends, from other friends of friends. They are also like asking to each other like how to calculate the points. I'm getting like this much point, how like I can increase or this kind of stuff. So in the next video I'm going to tell you about those things also. By that time you just enjoy guys. Very soon by 30th of this month you can submit the expression of interest, and after that you will get like a letter of interest from the government of Alberta. So immigration basically the immigration, they will send it to you and some of the letter, so that you can go through with those streams. Yeah, so that's it, and I hope you will like this video, and if you need any other information just let me know, so that I would try to get like more information about that. And very soon, as I said, like might be day after tomorrow or tomorrow, I would I'm just going to get like a new upload a new video of that, so that everybody can go through with that. Thank you guys, thank you everyone, enjoy the weather, and please take care everyone. Thank you, bye bye.